How's it, fellow Overlanders? Let's be honest, nobody likes border paperwork. But if you're joining us on an African overland tour in or out of South Africa, the days of filling out paper customs forms are officially over. So let me walk you through the new digital rules so you can keep your journey moving along. As of the 1st of July 2026, anybody crossing South African borders by land, sea, air, or rail must submit an online traveller declaration. So here's the golden rule. You must submit this declaration no more than 24 hours before your departure. You can do this quickly on any mobile device or laptop with internet connectivity. To get started, simply download the SATMS app from your app store or visit sars.gov.za/traveller declaration. Once there, hit complete declaration. You'll need to capture your travel information like your passport details and your mode of travel. Next up, you must declare goods and currency in your possession. So what are the limits? Goods up to 5,000 Rand per person are completely duty-free and VAT-free. If you're carrying commercial goods or items exceeding that limit, you have to list them. As for cash, you're permitted to carry up to 100,000 Rand in foreign or local currency without prior approval. If you have more than that, you must declare it. The best part, the system allows you to securely pay any duties and VAT, if applicable, right then and there. Once everything looks good, submit your declaration. You will receive a confirmation via email or SMS almost instantly. Keep this confirmation available on your phone. When your tour arrives at the border, proceed to the customs processing area. Your submitted declaration is accessible at the customs area if needed, making the whole process seamless. And don't worry about the kids. Parents or legal guardians may submit declarations on behalf of minors. Get your declaration sorted, and we will handle the rest of the adventure. Declare smart, travel smoother. Check the caption below for a quick checklist, and let's get exploring.